Hello guys, welcome to our channel. What is email marketing? What are the pros and cons of email marketing? What are the advantages of email marketing and how it nullifies disadvantages of email marketing? Businesses use email marketing as an affordable and often effective advertising tool. However, before employing this technique, you should make yourself aware of the disadvantages and misconceptions that exist. For example, though many people believe email marketing is free, starting any marketing campaign from scratch, even an electronic one, will cost your company money. Several factors can hinder your effectiveness, and, in some cases, email marketing can even work against your business. By the by, if you are new to our channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and share and comment and press the bell icon to our channel so that you can get immediate updates. The links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. Now, first is spamming. Spam. People's inboxes get inundated with email, both solicited and unsolicited. To cut down on the amount of unwanted emails, many servers have filters in place to lessen the number of spam emails a person receives. Spam is a common term for bulk distributed emails. People can further adjust their email filters to their own tastes. Your email marketing could well land in a spam folder and never get viewed. In some cases, you could find yourself or your business in serious legal trouble. The CAN-SPAM Act sets forth strict guidelines that companies must meet in order to use email marketing. Violations of the act can cost up to $16,000, and numerous people may be charged. Even when you take pains to ensure your email marketing conforms to the rules, you may still be accused and have to prove your campaigns are legitimate. Engagement. Email marketing requires constant tweaking to keep your subscribers engaged. A person will often sign up to receive emails solely as part of a promotion. For example, if a user provides his email address, he may receive a discount on a product. A user might also unintentionally sign up, such as if subscribing was the default choice on a web page. In such cases, your email marketing may be perceived as a nuisance. Even in the case that someone deliberately signed up to receive your marketing emails, like an industry newsletter, you still must work to maintain a level of engagement to keep your reader from unsubscribing. Appearance. You may have worked to create your email marketing to look exactly the way you envision. Unfortunately, due to the varying servers and computer settings, your design may not come through the way you hoped, which can diminish the impact of your message. Text may be moved from one line to the next on a person's screen. The email setting on another person's computer may only allow text, blocking images from coming through. If the main focus of your marketing was a logo, it could be lost. If you want to avoid a misconstrued or possibly messy appearance, you'll need to make sure the code used translates to the most basic processing systems. This may entail consulting with a technical specialist or marketing firm. Costs. Sending a quick email to someone may not cost you much more than internet access, but the costs of launching an email marketing campaign add up. Even basic self-managed monthly plans with fewer than 10,000 subscribers can cost $70, according to one marketing software firm. Hiring a company to design and manage an email marketing campaign includes templates and consultations and can get pricey. A startup package can cost several $1,000s initially plus $1,000 or more per month for continuing management. Advantages. The advantages of marketing ploys are similar to the advantages of other marketing efforts and campaigns. Successful marketing ploys generate revenue for companies by increasing customer bases and driving more sales and purchases. Marketing ploys also create more attention and awareness of a company, brand or product. A successful marketing ploy gets people talking, which also leads to word of mouth and viral marketing. Viral marketing is when a marketing message or promotion spreads from person to person like a virus, usually via word of mouth or by forwarding emails. Highly affordable. Every form of online marketing comes with some costs, but compared to other methods like PPC advertising, email is tremendously cheap. Rather than paying to use expensive, competitive marketing channels, most of the costs come from the use of things like autoresponder software. In the UK, the average cost of email marketing for a small business can be as little as £50 a month. The cost scale based on how many people you want to email. Amongst the fastest forms of online communication, you could argue that most direct kinds of online marketing, such as pay-per-click advertising and social media marketing, are fast. However, email marketing not only uploads and sends within seconds, it sends directly to your audience. As such, it's highly effective for sending time-sensitive information, like a running promotion or special offer tailored to the recipient. Your audience regularly checks it. According to the latest research by the Relevancy Group, 2/3 of all UK online consumers will check their email account multiple times a day. When it comes to building an ongoing relationship with existing customers or brand awareness with potential clients, there are few things more valuable than keeping in contact. The majority of your recipients are going to see that email sitting in their inbox within a day, if they don't read it as soon as they get an alert on their phone. Excellent tracking and reporting ability. The autoresponder and email management software you use to carry out your email marketing campaigns tend to come with tracking and reporting functions. These allow you a much greater insight into your campaign. You can see how many emails sent successfully, how many were opened, how many clicked, led to conversions, and more. You can also use email marketing to gain insight on your market, both what they respond to and the characteristics that define who, exactly, your average customer is. This insight can be used to refine and reshape your brand identity to create effect. Email marketing campaigns are easy to schedule and organize. Email marketing software allows you a great deal of control over not only what kind of emails you send and to who, but also when they are sent. You can set up an email campaign that is set up to roll out over the course of a few weeks. This also makes it easy to set up an email marketing campaign designed to roll out in time for a product launch, a planned sale, or other time-sensitive events. The best way to reach those who want to be reached. One of the most effective ways to use email marketing is to create a mailing list specifically of those who have chosen to receive emails from you. When it comes to permission-based marketing, email is one of the most effective, and helps you build the familiarity and loyalty that you need from your customers. It makes them more likely to continue engaging with the brand. Highly flexible and scalable. Both the emails you send and how you send them are highly flexible. You can send plain text emails, format them in any way you desire, help them stand out with branded graphics, and send attachments directly to the reader. Furthermore, you can alter your market targeting by creating different groups. Some emails may be relevant to all customers who have opted in, while others might be more suitable to a smaller subsection of your market. Either way, you can scale the campaign to match. Personalization potential. Personalization is growing more and more sophisticated in email marketing. It's no longer just about having the customer's name in the opening line. You can optimize emails depending on whether the recipient uses mobile or more traditional hardware, make recommendations based on abandoned shopping carts, and more. The potential for engagement and conversion increases significantly with personalized emails. Could save you a lot of time. With email, you can write a single message or set up a personalized message that sends to thousands of users at once. Furthermore, advanced email marketing can automate a lot of the process for you, such as sending abandoned shopping cart emails soon after a customer leaves your website during the purchasing process. As such, email marketing can save you a considerable amount of time that you might otherwise spend on chasing up your customers personally. Content promotion. Another great advantage of email marketing is how it sits so nicely with other digital marketing channels. Content marketing, for example. Content marketing is the process of creating content that your customers will read and enjoy. It's a great way to maintain contact with a customer base and drive loyalty. Once a customer has signed up to your mailing list, you can forward this content directly to them. This allows brand storytelling. You can introduce new products or services to your customers. You can get them excited about upcoming events or sales by sharing content directly with them. As said before, all the links are given below in the description. Please click to get the #1 product for email marketing. Thank you so much.